all over the floor. They're everywhere.
That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. Gold everywhere. Gold all over the floor. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. Selling you the best bullion bars and coins, shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. It is the Black Friday special.
It is Black Friday specials.
Woo.
So we've just, I don't know how Joe talked me into this one. So for until sold out, or which I expect will happen first, or Sunday, I suppose.
By the end of Sunday?
Yeah, end of Sunday. We are going to do these 1/4 ounce Baird minted bars.
Baird & Co.
Baird & Co. So
Minted
these are
bars.
from the UK.
Yep.
They are 4/9 gold. They weigh 1/4 ounce, I believe, because that's what it says on the front.
Yep.
And what sort of price are we doing them for, Joe?
As you would call it, a U-Butte price.
A U-Butte price, that's right.
We're doing them for spot plus $10
spot plus $10
per bar.
I think I've been conned.
You have been conned.
The spot plus $10.
It's so all my mates can scoop them up and then I buy them all at a good
I
price.
suggested many prices and Joe's going, no, spot plus 10. No, spot plus 10. So
Pretty
we're doing
much.
it, spot plus 10.
Spot plus $10. That
Per bar, which is
works
insane.
out. That's the equivalent of
It's probably on the slightly cheaper side of a 1 ounce bar, a cast bar at that.
of what we sell. Yeah.
So you're getting fractional gold minted from an LBMA registered, like, premium brand name bar.
Yep.
At less than or equal to or slightly less than the full size 1 ounce bar price for a normal bar, normal cast bar.
Yep.
So it is a screaming bargain.
Absolute screaming bargain. But it's Black Friday, so and
Quite appropriate with the black.
it is too. Yeah, absolutely. If they're gone, they're gone.
If they're gone, they're gone.
So we'll run it, and as we said, we will run it all Friday, all Saturday, all Sunday if they're still there,
Or until sold out.
or until sold
Now,
out.
they're going to be, I haven't looked at pricing, they're going to be 700 plus, I'm guessing.
Yep.
Really rough numbers, or somewhere around there. If that's in Australian dollars, if that's a little bit out of your price range, stay tuned for this afternoon's live stream.
Ooh.
You might find there's some different size gold coming in at a different size price.
Oh, very cool. Excellent. I like that indeed. That's pretty much it. What's happening on Monday? Shall we tell them?
Monday.
Or shall we tell them that it's not gold?
It's not gold on Monday,
Okay.
and it's not platinum, and it's not palladium, and it's not rhodium.
Strontium. I don't know.
Aluminium.
Let's go through the tin. No, we got a silver special on Monday.
Oh, we were going to tell them it was silver.
Come on, dude. We've got smart audience here. So silver, so stick around for that for Cyber Monday, but this is the special for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or until sold out.
That's the one.
Cool. What else do they need to know?
That's it.
All right. I'll link it below to the actual specific page. Head over to bullionnow.com.au. Add a bunch of other stuff to your order, and you can also choose to have it shipped out to you right away. You can just choose to have free storage for a period of time while you build up some orders. So it's a good way to stack.
Oh, we better add one thing.
Yeah.
These are only available online, not across the counter.
Thank you. We should have said that at the start.
We should have said that at the start.
I'll put that in the thing somewhere. So online only. Do not call. Do not email. You won't get them. It's first come, first served. Online only. All right. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, that's it from me.
And from me too.
See you soon.
See ya.